Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Clash of Clans on your computer. The first step is to choose a reliable Android emulator. Popular options include BlueStacks and Nox Player, both offering excellent compatibility. Visit their official websites to download the installer file, which is typically around 500 megabytes. Once downloaded, run the installer and follow the on-screen prompts to complete the installation process, usually taking less than 5 minutes. After installing your chosen emulator, launch it and you'll be prompted to sign in with your Google account. This is essential to access the Google Play Store. Once logged in, open the Play Store, search for Clash of Clans, and click Install. The game download size is usually around 200 megabytes. Allow a few moments for the installation to complete, then you can launch the game directly from the emulator's home screen. With Clash of Clans installed, it's time to optimize your controls. Emulators allow you to map keyboard keys and mouse clicks to touch gestures. For instance, assign Q for spells or W for deploying troops. You can customize dozens of keybinds for precise actions. Also, adjust the emulator's display settings to a higher resolution, like 1920 by 1080 pixels, for a clearer view of your village and battles, enhancing your strategic advantage. Playing Clash of Clans on a computer offers several advantages. You get a much larger screen, typically 24 inches or more, providing a superior visual experience. The precision of a mouse allows for more accurate troop deployment and spell placement compared to touchscreens. You can also easily switch between multiple accounts or even run other applications simultaneously. Remember to keep both your emulator and Clash of Clans updated for the best performance and security.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.